Here we have an interesting installation of approximately 53 square yards of Mannington luxury sheet vinyl in the platinum quality. This is intricately difficult to a degree, as we have to, starting with this entrance hallway, coming through in this hallway. Now we have this island in the center of this kitchen, in which case we have to place the sheet vinyl and make a slit to wrap it around, which is going to be a little difficult to do, but it's doable. And then we continue all the way down a hallway into this other hallway. We have patching to do over with the existing vinyl. You got to patch it up, but this is going to be consistent with the pattern matching all the way through. So this is going to be a fun little installation, and we'll be getting this started shortly. So here we see the installation well underway. Here is the kitchen area, which is very difficult. You need extraordinary mechanics to handle this type of installation, where you have 12-foot wide sheet material that needs to go around an island. Very difficult. It's one thing to put tile down or individual planks, but when you're dealing with 12-foot wide material in a small area, you have to have a specific type of expertise. So they started in this area, completed it around the island, and are continuing down all the way down this hallway area, right through. Have to finish certain areas that are a little patchwork. So this installation will continue shortly, and will be finished in about 2 or 3 hours. And here we have the completed installation of 53 square yards of Mannington luxury sheet vinyl in the Platinum series, which is the high end. We had to do all this long hallway, all the way down. And this was the real kicker. Again, getting this piece of sheet vinyl wrapped around this island, which is very difficult. Only an installer that has tremendous expertise could do this properly. And then we continued out here all the way to the front hallway. So this completes this job. If you want to see more videos, you can go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see more videos of other categories of flooring. And while you're there, would you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.